ang sinuman sa malay ng ina, siya'y ng bayan, awit ng lupa.
Hoy!
Ano daw?
CEO. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, hello, and mabuhay. My name is Angela Garcia Regalado. I am 80 years old in the set, touring all the way na from the rising city, San Jose, del Monte, Provincia, babalik-balikan, Bulacan. This is a pageant. Please don't allow me to carry the image of your one and only your Miss Universe 2024 title holder. Bakit di niyo sabay-sabay palakpakan at magkahiyawan ang tunay na kawangis, walang bahid dungis, Miss Binibini, Miss Chelsea Manalo. Miss Chelsea Manalo, nag-iiwan ang hashtag for tonight. Kutis langis, pero babangis. Ang tunay na gandang Pilipina, hindi negra, hindi mistisa, kundi morena. Ay, balat kumanaitin, wag na wag din yung mamaliitin. Dahil sa buntong uri ng patimpala, tsak, may negra, batang magpisel, tapata. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Judges, candidate number 2 is wearing a national costume inspiring of Evan Festival.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is a fresh and indeed innocent 18-year-old Spaniard from Barangay Assumption. By the way, my name is Queen Lavitrahana, yung nagsasabi, aanin mo ang ganitong ganda? Kung may itlog kayo pala. Kung kasalanan ko ang pagiging bakla, ngayon pa lang po, humihingi ako ng kapatawaran. Ngunit yung saya at ngiti, ang aming hatid, maalit po ba ako makalimos ng masigabong palakpakan? At iyawan. Thank you so much. Judges, I am candidate number 2.
Number 2, Queen 11, Rahana.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay ang nanay. At ang hindi humiyaw, masusunugan ang December of your one and only head and shoulder. Ang sarang nag-iwan ng isang katagdihang hindi bastos, ngunit mag-iiwan ng aral na ang taong nagpapataas ay siyang ibinababa. At ang taong nagpapakababa ay siyang tinataas. Judges, I am highlighting number 3. Mark my number, because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Judges, this is our candidate number 4, wearing her national costume, inspiring of Alamanan Festival.
Wearing a national costume, it is not how big or how small it is, but it is how you give life, justice for the costume that you are waiting for. Tonight, I am very proud to wear the Halamanan Festival of Bukawi, Bulacan. Tonight, this is a pageant. My name is Iwa Cervantes, and I am very proud to represent Barangay San Pedro, City of San Isidro, Monte Bulacan. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only kapuso, ang babaeng may yug-yug ni Mr. Hayden Cobb, Tina Halili. Katrina Halili na may isang kung mag-iiwan sa inyo ng mga katagang hindi hupastos at hindi nakakatawa. Ito po ang ba, be, pi, po, at bu. Bakala po kaming isinilang, bakalain mo kaming mamamatay. Be, benggeta pari ang gamulo, bakla ang inyong makikita. B, biktima lamang po kami ng masalimuot at papamusgang lipunan ng ating ginagalawan. Bukas bababa ang Diyos upang tayo ang sabihin kung sinong tunay na sayang sa ating lipunan ginagalawan. Ang mga kababaihan na walang ginawa, kundi magpaliglag ng kanilang sinapupunan. O ang mga kalalakihan na walang ginawa, kundi mangnai at mamutya ng mga bakla. O kami po mga bakla na walang ginawa, kundi magbigay ng saya at aliw sa bawat isa. Board of Judges, I may not be the most beautiful, nor the most sexiest, but I am candidate number 4 and Mark may number because I will give you a great show to be remembered. Thank you.
Candidate number 5 waving in national costume, inspiring of Dinala Festival.
When we say national, cultural, festival costume, it's not how big and extravagant and colorful the costume is. Tonight, I am proudly representing from the land of the dream weaver, the Kibuli community. I am proudly representing the Tinala costume. At ngayon pong gabi, bakit hindi niyo po subukang palakpakan ang kuyuan, ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Tanya Lopez. Tanya Lopez po na nag-iwan ng kasabihang hindi po bastos, bagkus sa pupulutan natin ng aral. Na mahirap pong magpakababae kung hindi po tayo tunay na babae. At mahirap rin pong magpakalalaki kung hindi lang po tayo tunay na lalaki. Pero ang pinakamahirap po ay ang magpakatao kung hindi po tayo tuturing at irespeto bilang isang tao. Diyos, mabalos sa inyong gabos!
Six. Judges, candidate number 6 wearing her national costume, inspiring of Casa Festival.
Ngayong gabi, walang masusunugan ng bahay. Wala rin mamamatayan. Dahil ang tanging hangad ko lamang ay ang palakpakan at masigabong iyawan ng mga tao dito sa Barangay Fatima 2. Wala akong palakpakan at iyawan dyan. observant, and a pageant enthusiast. This is Vance Moreno Bernabe na nagsasabi, if you want to be treated like a woman, act like a woman. Ganun.
Candidate number 7 wearing her national costume, inspiring all, Ebon Festival.
Easy, fresh, and indeed innocent, just only 20 years old, stunner, but truly on the way, majestic way, by home, away from home, where the Chicharon Festival is celebrated, Municipality of Santa Maria, Province of Bulacan, and tonight, since this is a beauty pageant for alternatives, allow me to stand by the name, ang babae, sumira sa relasyon ni Daniel Padilla,
Once again, judges, candidate number 8 wearing her national costume, inspiring all, Ebon Festival.
Akala nyo, bingot ako, no? Nagkakamali po kayo. Joke lang po. Hi, hello, mabuhay. Happy Fiesta, Barangay Fatima 2. Work hard until you no longer have to introduce yourself. My name is Mark Jomari Clementera, your City of San Jose del Monte Trans Health Ambassadress, and currently working as a trainer in the private sector. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only Miss Chris Bernal. Chris Bernal na naniniwala sa kasabihang, time is gold, pure gold. Thank you po.
To start. Places. The show is about to start. You have to show has a price. Fashionista, how do you look? 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 You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces, beautiful. No one ugly allowed.
Once again,
The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces, beautiful. No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista.